Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus Headlight easy method. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery for safety. Open the hood and locate the headlight housing, then remove any access covers or clips. Unscrew the bulb retaining ring, gently pull the old bulb straight out, and avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Insert the new bulb, secure the ring, reconnect the battery, and test the beam alignment. In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus Headlight easy method. Begin by putting on gloves and clearing any obstructions around the headlight housing. Locate the retaining ring or connector, then gently twist or unclip it to free the old bulb. Pull the bulb straight out without bending the connector. Inspect the socket for corrosion, then clean if needed. Keep parts organized so reassembly is quick and simple. In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus Headlight easy method. First, check the new bulb matches the specified type for your Lexus model. Holding the bulb by the base, align the tabs and insert it straight into the socket until it seats. Secure the retaining ring or connector and replace any covers you removed. Reconnect the battery, switch on the headlights, and verify proper function and beam alignment before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.